This is the positive.
How am I supposed to know it's positive?
Because it's a big old plus.
Okay, good.
And then you gotta clip the red jumper cable to this.
Okay.
And the black jumper cable to this. Either this one or anything that's metal touching the motor.
Okay.
Or the frame. Well, let's give it a jump.
Okay. This is like his 10th car of the year. He drives a lot of cars because he doesn't want anyone to know his true identity. He works for El Chapo, even though he can barely catch his balance.
When you jump a car, you're not supposed to let the two cars touch together.
Okay, so we don't want no kissing cars.
Positive, so not positive, but you can see how big the clamp is. The bigger clamp means positive.
Oh wow!
The little clamp means negative.
Is that like a standard rule?
Yeah, most likely, yeah. You can also see that this negative is touching this.
Oh, okay.
Remember negative.
Oh
See
my
what I was
god.
talking about? But my car has this metal plate.
Yeah.
I connect the battery to this sometimes. It's the same thing as connecting it to the battery.
So that's connecting to the negative too.
Yes.
So we got this car over here. Modern day cars, they're actually pretty simple to identify because they have signs on them. But the old school ones don't. So you kind of have to guess. Oh my god, am I hearing fizzing?
Yeah.
Alright,
This is a new battery. See, I had to buy this battery for this car because my old battery died.
where'd you buy it?
At AutoZone, of course.
Was it on sale?
No, it wasn't.
I asked them if they had Black Friday sales on batteries. They said no.
No, they don't do that stuff. That's only for supermarkets. Okay, I'm gonna rev it up,
Okay.
and then once I rev it up for about 30 seconds, you hit the start button. Okay?
Alright, let's see if this stuff works. Ouch. Don't mind my car. It's a little dusty, guys. Oh my god, I just hurt myself. My dad is hilarious. He's gonna kill me if I do this wrong. So he's revving up that engine. He'll get mad if I don't go at the right time. He has like an aggressive temper. So you're revving it a little too much. Okay, I'm nervous. What if we explode? I can't even see him. I'm scared. I don't want to do it. Stop revving your engine, sir. Too much friction is bad. Yes, we're in business, buddies. My car has turned on. Now I'm gonna go to Kia and get a new battery. All right, Daddy, that worked. That was a successful jump. What do you have to say to people?
Thank God that we live in America. We have jumper cables.
Jumper cables in other parts of the world?
Yeah, like Sudan and Ethiopia, they don't care about shit like that.
Well, do they even have cars out there?
They drive around in mules.
Okay, well, good for them.